Hello my dear students of class 5, welcome to maths class once again. In my previous class I have completed chapter number 2, okay, and I hope you have understood. And what was the name of the chapter? Addition, subtraction and their application. We have learned how to do addition, how to do subtraction, and what were the uses of this addition and subtraction. We have seen in what problems where it is used. Okay, so many uses are there of this addition and subtraction. So today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 3, multiplication, division and their applications. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about how to multiply, how to do the division and their applications means what are their uses. Okay, what are the uses of this multiplication, division, where they are used. Okay, so we are going to learn about this. So before starting the exercise like 3.1, 3.2, what is there? Let's recap is there. Okay, so today I'll do let's recap. We will recap what you have done in class 4. Okay, about multiplication and all. And before starting this, let's learn the terms associated with multiplication. Okay, now see it. If I am multiplying here, okay, 6 into 3. So 6 3 is how much? 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. Okay. Now, like in addition I said you about oddend, addend, sum. In subtraction also I have said you minuend, subtrahend. Okay. And what is the result called? Difference. Same way there are terms associated with what? With multiplication also. So what do we call this? What do we call this? And what do we call the answer we get? The result we get in the multiplication. So we call this multiplicand. What do we call this? Multiplicand. Okay. And what do we call a number which get multiplied with multiplicand? We call this multiplier. Okay, and what do we call the result we get, the answer we get, what do we call this? Product. What do we call? Product. Okay, so wherever you see the product or in question they are asking you find the product, that means you have to multiply. Okay, that means you have to multiply. Product means the result. You have to find the result. You have to find the product. Okay, product means you have to do multiplication and find the answer. You have to find the product. Okay, so these were the terms associated. This we call multiplicand, this we call multiplier, and the result we get is called the product. Okay, so now let's do question number 1. Okay, so what is question number 1? Let's see. Question number 1, fill in the boxes. Now see what is question number 1. We have to fill these boxes. Okay, now let's start. 57 into 0. We already know that any number multiplied by 0, what is the answer? 0. Okay, whether it is any number, when it is multiplied by 0, what will be the answer? 0. So 57 into 0 is 0. Okay, now number B, 658 into 100. So when we multiply the multiplicand, okay, with 100, this is a multiplier, so it becomes very easy. I will teach you the shortcut one, how to multiply by 100, 10, okay, 1000 and all. So here it is given to multiply by 100. So what we will do? We will multiply this, okay, first with the first digit of 100. Okay, so what it is? It is 1. Okay, so what we will do? We will multiply this, okay, with 1 first. Okay, we will keep this 0 aside. So 658 into 1 will be how much? 658. Any number multiplied by 1 is same. Okay, so 658 multiplied by 1 will be how much? 658. Okay, and how many zeros is there? 2 zeros. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So what we will do? We will add this 2 0 to the right side of the number. So we will write here. Okay, so it has become very easy. I have not done that column, that long one, then I have done the answer. It was a shortcut one. So whenever you see the multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, if it was by 10, that means 1 0. So what you have done here? So what you should have done? You should have added 1 0. If it was with 3 zeros, that means you have to add 3 0. That means 1000. So you will learn about this in detail in the next exercise. Okay. For here I have just taught you. The simple just taught you, okay, about 100. Okay, about this I will teach you in detail in the next exercise. Okay. Okay. Now let's see number C. 642 into 83 is equals to, this box is empty, into 642. So can you see this is 642, here also 642 is there. Okay. So what is missing? 83 is missing. Okay. What is missing? 83 is missing. This one is multiplicate, multiply. So here this multiply will become multiplicate. This means that if you will multiply 2 into 4, what the result you will get? 8. 2 4s are 8. Or if you will multiply 4 into 2, what will be the answer? 8. Okay, so you multiply 2 4s are 8 or 4 2s are 8. Answer is same. Same if you multiply 642 into 83 or 83 into 642, what will be the answer? Answer will be same. Okay, now see a number E, it is little bit long. Now they have already added this and they have written the answer. They have added 219. They have added how many times? 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what they have got? 1533. Okay, so they have added and then they have got the answer. So without addition also we can get the answer simply by multiplication. Okay, so see here. What is same? 219. So 219 will be here. Okay. Now how many times this 219 is repeated? 7 times. Okay, that is why here 7 is there. So 219 into 7 will be what? Answer will be same, this one. What is the answer? 1533. Okay, because they have added this already and they have got 1533. Okay, and we have to multiply and get the answer. So already answer is here only. Okay, 219 into 7 will be how much? 1533. 1530. Okay, so this was about question number E. 2 more is there about division. Now let's see. 2 more is there about division. Now let's see how to do that division. F and question number G. Okay, this is about division. Okay, now like in multiplication I said you that about multiplicand, about multiplier, product. Same way in division also, divisor is there, dividend is there, quotient is there, and remainder is there. Okay, now see how we have to divide 2000. Okay, by 10. Okay, and we have to fill this box. Now how to do? See, this one we call dividend. Okay, so we will write this here. Okay, 2000 we will write here. This one is divisor. Okay, this one is divisor. We call this divisor. Okay, this one we call dividend. Okay, so the answer which we will get is question. Okay, now let's start. Okay, we'll start with the first digit. Okay, now let's start. We'll start with the first digit. Now 10, how much is 2? In 10 table 2 is there? No. So what you will do? You will take one more digit. What you will do? You will take one more digit. Okay, you will take 2 digits. Now by taking this 2 digit, it has become 20. Now in 10 table 20 is there now? 10 1 is 10, 10 2 ja 20. 10 2 ja 20. Okay, 10 2 ja 20. Okay, done. Now what we will do? We will subtract this. Okay. Now what we will do? We will subtract. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So you can write or you can put cross also. Or you can write 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So you can write 0 or you can put cross. Okay. Now see here. 0 is there. So we will bring this 0 down. Okay. Now 10, how much is 0? 10 zeros are 0. Okay, 10 zeros are 0. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. So we will put cross. We will bring this 0 down. 10, how much is 0? 10 zeros are 0. Okay, so how much we got? What we got? This one we called is quotient. And at last what we got? Remainder 0. Remainder is what? 0. Cross means it is 0. Remainder is what? 0. Remainder is what? 0. And what we have to write here? 2000 divided by 10. Okay, what we have to write here? We have to write quotient, that is 200. So what is the answer? 2000 divided by 10 is how much? 200. Okay, now let's divide this one. Here we have to fill quotient and remainder. Now how to do? This one is dividend. Okay, this one is divisor. Okay, now see here. 10. How much is 6? In 10 table 6 will come? No. So we will take 2 digit. It will become 64. How much it will become? 64. So in 10 table 64 also doesn't come. But less than it comes now. 60. So 10 how much is 60? 10 6 are 60. Okay. 10 6 are 60. Now let's subtract. 4 minus 0 is how much? 4. And 6 minus 6 is how much? 0. We will put cross. Okay. Now let's bring this 9 down. Okay. Now in 10 table 49 is there? No. But less than 49 is there? No. 40. Okay. So 10 how much are 40? 10 4 ja 40. 10 4 ja 40. Okay. So 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. That means we will put the cross. So this one is quotient. This one is quotient. Okay, and this one is remainder. This one is remainder. Okay. This one is remainder. So what do you fill in quotient? So what is quotient? 64. And what is the remainder? 9. Okay, what is the remainder? 9. Understood? Now let's do question number 2. Okay. Let's do question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is multiply the following. Now see, here it is multiplication by one number. Okay. Multiplier is 1 digit and here it is multiplied by 2 digit number. Here the multiplier is 2 digit. Okay. Now how to multiply? Now let's multiply up to how much place it is given? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so let's write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Why I am writing this? So that no confusion will be there. You can place the number properly. So 2 is in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place, 1 in tens place, 3 in ones place. So we have to multiply by 2. Now see it. 2, 3. First we will multiply 2 with 3, then 2 with 1, then 2 with 4, 2 with 2. Okay. Now see it. 2 3 ja 6. 2 1 ja 2. 2 4 ja how much? 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 3 ja 6. 2 4 ja 8. And 2 2 ja 4. Okay. So we got this answer. This was multiplication with 1 digit. Okay. Now let's do with 2 digit number. Okay. Now here you see it is 3 digit ones, tens, hundreds. Multiplicand is up to hundreds place. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, 4, 5, 3, and you have to place this way. Okay, understood? Why I am writing this ones, tens, so that you can place it in a proper column. Okay. Now let's multiply. This multiplication is also very easy. The 2 digit number. Okay, it is also very easy. Now see how to multiply. 7 3 ja 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21. Okay, so we will write here 1, 2 we will give carry. Now 7 5 ja 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35. Okay, and we have to add this 2 also. So 35 plus 2 is how much? 35 plus 2. Okay, 36, 37. So 7 we will write here, 3 we will give carry. Okay. Now 7 4 ja 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28. And 28 plus 3 is how much? 28, no? 29, 30, 31. See, I have done. Okay, now you have done multiplication by 7. It's very easy. First line you do easily. Okay, but second line little bit it becomes difficult for you. Some of you get confused, no? Now think 7 is not there. Okay, think 7 is not there. Only what is there? Only 2 is there. Okay, keep in your mind that 7 is not there. Okay, 2 is only there. And do the multiplication how you are doing. But in ones place what you will do? You will put here cross. what you will put? Cross. When you will go to second digit, what you will do? You will put cross. First you will multiply by this. Okay, don't multiply by this first. Okay, you have to multiply by this number first. Okay, then you have to multiply by this number. Now what I said, think 7 is not there. Okay, think only 2 is there. Okay, and below this ones column, what you will put? You will put cross. Okay, not start from here. Okay, here you will put cross. Okay, you can write 0 or you can put cross also. Okay, now let's start. 2 3 are 6. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Don't add this. Okay, this was for 7 now. Don't add this. 2 5s are 10. So write here 0. Okay, 1 we will give carry. So you can write separately. Okay, so that you will not forget. And 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. This was carry now. Plus 1. It will become 9. 2 4s are 8 plus 1. It will become 9. Now what we will do? We will add. We will add. Okay. So 1. Here nothing is there means what will be there? 1. Now 7 plus 6. So 7 plus 6 is how much? 13. 3 will write here. 1 will give carry. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is again 2. 3 plus 9 is how much? 12. How much it is? 12. How much it is? 12. So we have got the answer. Okay, so in this way you will multiply. One more I will do the multiplication with 3-digit number. Okay, now let's do. Now how to multiply, you know, first we will write here 1s, 10s. So it is up to how much place? 1s, 10s, 100s. 1s, 10s, 100s. Okay, so now let's write. Okay, then write the multiply. Then write the multiplier. Now see here. 5, 5, what will, first what we will do? We will multiply 5, okay, with all these 3 digits, okay. Then we will multiply by 0, then by 2, okay. Now to do, let's first multiply by 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30, we write here 0, 3 we will give carry. Okay, 3 we will give carry. Now 5 8 are 40. 40 plus 3 is how much? 43. 3 we will write here, 4 we will give carry. 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 4 is how much? 19. 15 plus 4 is how much? 19. Now you know up to how to multiply up to. You know how to multiply with 2 digit. Just now we have done. Okay. So think now 5 is not there. Okay. What is it? Only 1 digit is there. That is 0. So in next step what you have to do? You have to put 1 cross in the ones column. Okay. Now how to do? 0 with 0 we are going to multiply this one. We are going to multiply this number with 0. Okay. Now 0 6 are 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 8 are 0. 0 3 are 0. Okay. Now here 3 digit number is given. So now we have to multiply by 2. So now we have to go for the next step. Okay. So what you have to do? Here we have put cross in ones column. Okay. In second step. In third step we have to put cross in ones column and tens column also. Okay. Now let's multiply by 2. Think this 0 and 5 is not there. Okay. Think this 0 and 5 is not there. Only 2 is there. Okay. Keep in your mind they are not there. Just multiply by 2. It will become easy for you. 2 6 are 12. 2 will write here. 1 we will give carry to this. Okay. On top you can write or you can write separately. Okay. Don't get confused. Keep in your mind. 2 6 are 12. 2 we have written here. 1 I have given carry. 2 8 are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 7 right here. 1 we will give carry. Okay. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Now okay, at last we will add. Okay. Now 0 only it will be there. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 will write here. 1 will give carry. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Here what will be there? 7. Okay. So we got the answer. Okay. By multiplying 386 into 205, how much we have got? 79,130. Okay. So we have done multiplication also. Now let's do the last question of this exercise. Let's recap. It is division. Okay. Now let's see what is question number 3. Question number 3 is divide the following. Do the sums in your notebook. Now in this question you cannot solve in book, so that is why they have written do this in your copy. Okay. Now let's see. I've taken question number D to show you how to divide. Okay, I've already shown you in filling the boxes. Now here also I'll show you now how to do. Now we have to divide 8143 by 7. Okay, now how to do? In 7 table, 8 is there? No. Okay, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 is there. Okay, so 14 is greater than 8. We want the number which is less than 8. So less than 8, what comes in 7 table? 7. So how to write? 7 1 is 7. Okay, now what we will do? We will subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, what we will do? We will bring this 1 down. Now does this 11 comes in 7 table? Does this 11 comes in 7 table? No, we have to write the number less than 11 then. Okay, because 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. 14 is greater than 11. We will write the number which is less than 11, that is 7. Okay, so again 7 1 is 7. Okay, don't write here. Okay, write here. Okay, now what you will do? We will subtract. Write this in ones column. Okay. Now from 1 we cannot subtract 7, so 1 will take borrowing from this. Okay, so this will become 0 and this will become 11. Okay, so this will become 0, this will become 11. So 11 minus 7 is how much? 11 minus 7 is how much? 4. How much it is? 4. Now we will bring this 4 down again. Step by step. Okay, we will bring this 4 down. Now in 7 table 44 comes? No. Less how much comes? 42. What comes? 42. So 7 how much? 42. 7 6 42. Okay, now what we will do? We will subtract. 4 minus 2 is how much? It is 2. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So we will put cross. Now we will bring this 3 down. Okay. Now in 7 table 23 comes? No. In 7 table 23 is there? No. So what is less than 23? 21. 7 3 is 21. 7 3 is 21. Okay. Now subtract 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Put cross. Okay. Now let's write how much is the quotient? Q also. Okay. Q means quotient. So what it is? 1163. And what is remainder? For remainder we will write R. So what is remainder? Remainder is 2. Okay. Okay. So we have done this division. Okay. Now I will do one more question. Then we will complete this exercise. Okay. Now let's do number G. Okay. Now how to do now CL? First what we will do? We will see the first digit. It is 4. Okay. So in 5 table 4 is there. 4 comes in 5 table. No, because 4 is less than 5 and 5 table starts with 5 1 is 5. Okay. So 4 doesn't come. 4 doesn't come in 5 table. Okay. That means this 4 doesn't come. So what we will do? We will take one more digit. Along with 4 we will take one more digit 6 and what it will become? 46. What will become? 46. We will take this 2 digit. Okay. We will take this 2 digit. Now it will become 46. Why we have taken this 2 digit? Because 4 doesn't come in 5 table. So we have to take 2 digit. Okay. Now it has become 46. So 46 comes in 5 table. No, it doesn't come. But less than 46 comes now. What it is? 45. What it is? 45. So 5 9 ja 45. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to subtract. 6 minus 5 is how much? 1. Okay. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then we will put cross. Okay. Now we will bring this 3 down. Now it has become 13. 1 3 13. Now in 5 table 13 comes? No. But less than this comes now? 10. That means 5 2 ja 10. 5 2 ja 10. Okay, now let's subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. We will put cross. We will bring this 1 down. Okay. Now in 5 table 31 comes? No. But less than 31 what is there? 30. And 5 how much is 30? 5 6 is 13. Okay. Now what we will do? We will subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 1 cross. Now bring this 2 down. Okay. It has become 12. In 5 table 12 comes? No, but less than 12 comes now. What? 10 and 5 how much is 10? 5 2 ja 10. 5 2 ja 10. Okay, now let's subtract. 2 minus 0 is what? 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means we will put cross. Okay. Now let's write what is quotient. Q means quotient. What it is? 9262. And what is remainder? This one is remainder Remainder is 2. Okay. You have to do. So whatever I have done today, what you will do this all in your copy as classwork. Okay. And whatever homeworks I am giving you, you will do that also in your copy as homework. Okay. You will try by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So for today up to this much, I have completed. Let's recap. In my next class, I will do exercise 3.1. Okay. For today up to this much only. Okay. Thank you.